Hello everyone, this is Justina from SKYMARD Heavy Industry. Today we are honored to come to the Chinese top brand SANY's factory. Here are so many machines such as dump trucks, trunker rings, the one behind me, do you know what it is? Yes, it is SY650H hydraulics excavator. What is it? Let's have a look. By utilizing a new advanced post-processing SCR system, the fuel combustion can attain greater completeness, leading to a notable energy efficiency.
Now, let's see the machine's intelligent cab. The new generator C12 cab has comprehensive improvements in sealing, comfort, and noise installation. High-definition rear-view camera embedded vehicle interaction, and 10-inch color touchscreen are full of digital technology.
This machine is equipped with a powerful engine, electronically controlled its main valve and main pump. It's also renowned for its stability and reliability. So that's all the introduction of this excavator. It is very cost-effective, and I believe that it can earn your money back quickly. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. This is Justina. Thank you for listening. Bye!